Welcome to this MedSIS training session. Today, we will walk through the essential steps for reviewing rotation assessments within the system, ensuring you have the tools to effectively evaluate resident progress. Before diving into the review process, keep a few key points in mind. Always begin your assessment on the resident dashboard, which serves as your primary starting point. It's crucial to review rotation assessments separately, as they don't automatically integrate into the dashboard's main views. Finally, synthesize all information holistically, combining individual rotation assessments with the dashboard data to form a complete picture for your review. Remember, site or division coordinators may also provide additional assessment packages via email, which should be considered alongside your MedSIS review. To begin, access the resident dashboard for the specific resident whose rotation assessments you need to review. This central hub provides an overview of their progress, including their entrustable professional activities, or EPAs. While the dashboard offers valuable insights into EPA and overall progress, it's important to remember that detailed rotation assessments are not directly summarized here and must be reviewed independently to gain a full understanding of the resident's performance. It's important to understand that rotation assessments are not automatically linked to the main resident dashboard view. Specifically, skill dimensions and EPAs detailed within individual rotation assessments do not automatically pull into the dashboard summary. Therefore, to form a comprehensive overall judgment, you must actively use individual rotation assessments as critical supporting evidence, rather than relying solely on the aggregated dashboard data. This ensures a thorough and accurate evaluation. To access the detailed assessments, navigate to the Assessments tab directly from the resident dashboard. This tab provides a comprehensive list of all completed assessments for the resident. Here, you will find various types of evaluations, including field notes and any available rotation assessments. This centralized view allows you to quickly identify and access the specific documents needed for your review, providing the granular detail not present on the main dashboard. Once you are in the Assessments tab, you will see a list of all evaluations. Carefully look through this assessment list to locate the specific rotation or mid-rotation assessments relevant to your review. The list provides details such as activity, start and end dates, and the type of evaluation. Identifying the correct assessments is a crucial step in gathering all necessary information to accurately evaluate the resident's performance during a particular rotation. To efficiently narrow down the extensive list of evaluations, utilize the available filters. You can refine your search by review period, specific start or end dates, or by rotation. This filtering capability is particularly useful when dealing with a large volume of assessments, helping you quickly locate those connected to a specific progress review period or a particular rotation. Applying these filters streamlines the process, ensuring you focus on the most relevant data. After identifying the assessment you wish to review, simply click View to open it. This action will display the full details of the individual assessment. It is essential to open each assessment on its own to thoroughly review the narrative comments, the assigned ratings, and the specific context of the rotation. Integrating these individual insights is a vital part of your overall synthesis, providing a deeper understanding of the resident's performance and development. Here are some quick reminders to guide your progress review process. Remember that rotation assessments are not directly linked to the learner dashboard, so always open the Assessments tab to review them. Use the All Evaluations filter to efficiently sort by review period, date range, or rotation. To access the full details, click View on any individual assessment. Finally, incorporate any additional coordinator email packages as a supplementary source of information when provided. Thank you for participating in this MedSIS training. If you require further assistance or have any questions regarding the FM ServiceNow portal, please visit our online resources at ucalgary.service-now.com/medportal for support.